Friends, yogis and yoginis, welcome to another episode of Asana Labs. In this video, we're looking at how to get into Urdhva Padmasana. Urdhva Padmasana is one of the variations that we do in the shoulder stand sequence. The key position that you need to understand and feel why it's so key and fundamental is Urdhva Padmasana. Feel where your center of gravity is. Feel where your balance is. It needs to be over enough that you can take the arms off the floor behind you. From this position, we concentrate on maintaining the balance. It's not about just throwing the legs up and hoping you don't fall over backwards. You have to concentrate on your balance. It shouldn't be necessary, and it's not a good idea that you use one hand to hold you up and the other hand to take the legs in lotus. Use the advantage that Urdhva Padmasana set up for you, and then according to how stable or unstable your balance is in this position, you're going to have to move slowly so that you do not fall over backwards. So the knees start to come off the floor and you start bending the knees, bringing the feet towards the hips so that you're distributing your body's balance to a similar position as when your legs will be in lotus. So once you successfully get your legs in lotus position, you're going to press the shoulders into the floor, bring the knees into the palms of your hands, and press the knees into the palms of the hands. And work on straightening, extending up by arching, creating extension through the low back. Press the knees down into the hands, straighten the arms and straighten the back, so that Urdhva Padmasana is a flat back position, and its counter pose is Pindasana, round back position. So remember to breathe while you're in Urdhva Padmasana. Bring the breath all the way up into the rib cage, because the neck muscles, the neck structure originates from inside the thoracic cavity. The shoulders are attached on the outside of the thoracic cavity. So by bringing the breath consciously, mindfully, and fully up into the upper lungs, we create a much stronger foundation and support structure for the neck and the shoulders. And this will only happen if we breathe mindfully and understand how to use the bandhas, navel in towards the spine, pelvic floor drawn up, to push the breath up to open the upper structure of the thoracic cavity, the upper structure of the chest. Breathing is always, always, always the first fundamental movement in the body. Breathing is a mechanical action, not only energetic.